Good evening po, teachers. Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal. At ngayon po ay meron po tayong good news dahil meron naman pong bagong region na nabigyan na po ng performance-based bonus na SARO. So, ito pong SARO ay it means po na nalalapit na po na ito po ay may bigay na po mula po sa DBM, punta po sa ating division, and then makuha na po natin yung ating performance-based bonus. So, samahan niyo po ako para patignan po na pong mga schools ang meron na pong SARO para po sa kanilang PBB or performance-based bonus. So, for example, ito po, Division of Roa City, to cover the fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus requirements of elementary and secondary school. We have also Bago National High School, Baliwa National High School, Congressman Ramon A. Arnaldo High School, Kulasig National High School, Dumulog National High School, Milibili National High School, Roa City School of Philippine Craftsmen, Tangken National High School. We have also Division of La Carlota, Doña Hortensia Salas Benedicto National High School, La Granja National High School. So, mapapansin po natin na sunod-sunod po yung mga schools na meron na pong performance-based bonus. So, check po natin kung ano po itong region, no? So, ito po ay for Region 6. SARO po for Region 6. So, continue po natin yung mga schools po. We have Bacolod City National High School, Abcasa National High School, Alangilan National High School, Bata National High School, Bata National High School, Barangay Singkang Airport National High School, Domingo Lacson National High School. So, ito po ay napakadami po, teacher. So, ilalagay ko na lang po sa description po ng video na to yung link para po makita po natin yung lahat po ng mga schools for Region 6 na meron na pong performance-based bonus. SARO from DBM. So, yun lang po, teachers. At maraming salamat. Don't forget po to subscribe for more DepEd news and updates and free learning resources.